Hello friends, today I bring you an amazing lifestyle or amazing way of being a great successful person in life. Today I'll discuss with you fear of failure versus hope of success. यानी कि जीतने की उम्मीद, सफल होने की आशा और उसके विपरीत असफलता का डर, भय हारने का, इन दोनों के बीच में बहुत बार हमारे मन में डायलेमा आता है, द्वंद्व होता है. तो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस होप ऑफ सक्सेस वर्सेस फियर ऑफ फेलियर. जॉर्ज पैटन, one of the greatest American generals of Second World War, has said that fear kills more people than death itself. इसका मतलब बहुत से लोग सिर्फ डर की वजह से, मन के डर की वजह से हार जाते हैं जिंदगी में, जबकि काफी कुछ अचीव करने के लिए बचा होता है. Hope of success, इसमें if you look at the word hope is a positive ability. It shows being bold, it shows being audacious, it shows being risk taker, unconventional. Whereas failure is negative quality. It makes you timid, it makes you submissive, it makes you fearful. डर पैदा हो जाता है हमेशा, हर स्टेप पर. तो जिंदगी में कहीं पर भी हो, it starts very early in life. Starts from entrance examinations, starts from interviews, SSB for example, or cracking the civil services. Many of them put years of hard work to crack the civil services exam because they work from hope of success and they do succeed. At the same time, you look at the corporate world, you look at the business world. There are hundreds and hundreds of stories of success. Any big corporate or business, it is based on people who work from hope of success. People who could think out of the box. People who could think something nobody ever thought. क्या 10 साल 15 साल पहले हम सोच सकते थे कि there will be WhatsApp, there will be Facebook, there will be Instagram, there will be internet in this manner? It has just swept our life by leaders, by people who work from hope of success or who saw something, who are visionary, who saw a future in them. As far as our daily lives are concerned, I have seen very closely in my life that leaders or people who work from hope or success always produced astounding results. They always surprise themselves. In fact, it is surprising. A study was carried out in Europe on athletes. What made people win medals in Olympics? Why some people won so many awards and broke records while many promising people failed at the final hurdle? Because the people who succeeded were all those athletes who worked from strong desire to succeed. इसीलिए मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, if you want to succeed in life, have a fire in the belly and passion in the heart. पेट में एक आग होनी चाहिए, जीतने की, आगे बढ़ने की. ये उम्मीद जब तक नहीं होगी, आप आगे जा नहीं सकते हो. In combat, I have seen that many examples. My own commanding officer, Colonel Surinder Singh Pathania, मैंने देखा है उनको पंजाब में एक क्लोज कॉम्बैट के अंदर उनकी पीठ में कई गोलियां लग गई थी. सबने बोला इस उम्मीद से अब जीना मुश्किल है, लेकिन he was a great soldier. बहुत ही ब्रेव इंसान मैंने देखे. वो उस से निकल कर बाहर आए, व्हीलचेयर बाउंड हैं, but his life is a great success. Great motivation कि even when you're almost ऐसी सिचुएशन में हो, लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग में भी हो, तो जिनमें जीने की उम्मीद होती है, जिनमें सक्सेस का एक जज्बा होता है, वो हमेशा तैर जाते हैं या पार निकल जाते हैं. तो इसलिए मैंने अपना जिंदगी में देखा है, पंजाब में भी और कश्मीर में भी, जब खतरा था सामने, जब ऐसा लग रहा था कि क्या करें, और ये फियर कई बार होता है, हर एक को होता है जब गोलियां चल रही होती हैं. लेकिन जब आप होप ऑफ सक्सेस से काम करते हो तो आप थोड़े से अनप्रेडिक्टेबल हो जाते हो, आप थोड़े से ज्यादा बोल्ड हो जाते हो. और इस चीज का क्या फायदा होता है कि दुश्मन हैरान हो जाता है कि यार ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. Because you are working from hope of success. Therefore, in your day-to-day life, just start practicing this. It will change your life. So friends, I have enjoyed bringing this edition to you. And before I end, I want to give you an amazing quote from Nelson Mandela, one of the finest leaders of this last century. He says, "May your choices reflect your hopes and not your fears." Nelson Mandela. Therefore, I have enjoyed bringing this episode to you. Please give me feedback in the comments box below. Follow my YouTube channel, share it with your friends. This is part of my personal social responsibility. And therefore, my entire focus of this is leadership and motivation. Thank you. Jai Hind.